Hello. Welcome to Qrator Labs Education Center. In this video, we will review the resource public key infrastructure, root origin authorizations and root object analysis of the affected hijack. Let's manually check the legitimacy of the prefix announcement by Autonomous System 11320. To do this, we go to the Autonomous Systems page, which contains a list of all the prefixes it announces to the Internet. We paste our prefix here. Then, we check the values in the resource public key infrastructure, root origin authorizations and root object columns, which indicate the prefix's validation status for the given autonomous system. We see that both columns are marked as invalid, indicating that while there are resource public key infrastructure and root origin authorizations records and root objects for this prefix, they are associated with another autonomous system. This means no formal validation of the right to announce this prefix exists. Next, let's obtain more detailed information. All active resource public key infrastructure, root origin authorizations and root objects for the given prefix and their creation and deletion history. To do this, let's click on the invalid button in the resource public key infrastructure and root origin authorizations column. At the top of the pop-up window, the prefix and autonomous system under review are listed. The list of root origin authorizations objects related to the prefix is displayed below. 2 of the 3 objects are active, while the third has been inactive since September 11, 2024. Thus, from a resource public key infrastructure and root origin authorizations perspective, only Autonomous System 16509 and Autonomous System 14618 have the right to announce this prefix. Next, similarly, let's examine the information about root objects. Here, we can see that the RADB database contains entries for the given Autonomous System 11320. However, these entries are no longer active. There are no active records for this autonomous system. Therefore, we can conclude that the announcement is not legitimate. In summary, the announcement is being made by an autonomous system that does not have valid resource public key infrastructure and root origin authorizations records or root objects, belongs to another organization, meaning it is not a sibling autonomous system of the legitimate prefix owner, is not a BGP neighbor of the legitimate prefix owner, i.e. there are no peering relationships. As a result, part of the traffic may potentially be directed toward the autonomous system that performed the hijack. Therefore, we can conclude that this announcement is likely a hijack and has a high priority. Thank you for watching us. Continuous network availability. Continuous customers loyalty. Continuous business growth. Qrator Labs. Your reliable ally on the digital frontier.